I personally like to create things something better. Not always the best, but it's going to be the better. It's going to be better than the other one. That's my goal in life. Learn and then apply them. So here in this tutorial, we will try to create some dialogues. What? Dialogue is just simply words that comes out from our character's mouth. First, inner monologue. From the term itself, it's inner. You're talking to yourself. Then dialogue, talking to another person. Why? Well, sometimes it's more dramatic when no one speaks in the scene, where the scene speaks for itself. Yet for me, it's kinda boring sometimes. And people are also lost in themselves. So I think it's always better to at least say something, as many people are not guessing. Also, notice that in every film, notice on films that they first introduce the plan or the goal in that scene before entering the door, so that you will just know or might have a little clue on what's happening or what's going to happen. How? My style is like this. First, give the scene number, then the name, then who's speaking, and the parentheses are just like guide on what's going to happen or what's happening at the moment. Also, I add the moment because as I said, sometimes the scene speaks for itself. The following scene are the following scene dialogues are still in the making because when again these are just prototype dialogues, because along the way you might create your own quote that could perfectly fit on the scene. You'll really learn from your own experiences, so expect that these words will eventually change. So keep the general or the prototype dialogues or simple words will work, but along the way make some deeper or meaningful words.